Do you know many people are having trouble with the update failed error on their Lowrance Elite-7 Ti fish finders? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check for updates. First, check if there is an update available for your fish finder. If there is, download it either to a card slot or defer it for later. Step 2. Insert update card. If you downloaded an update, insert the card into your fish finder and initiate the update. Step 3. Restart to apply. After completing the update procedure, restart your Elite-7 Ti to apply the changes. Step 4. Reset to factory. If the error persists, try resetting the fish finder to its factory settings to resolve potential software issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the update failed message and get your fish finder back in working order. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Lowrance users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.